Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie and today I will be preparing a lovely meal of pork chops and mashed potato alongside some grilled asparagus. Let's get started. So I have these lovely pork chops, but I realized they cut the pork chops too thick. So I am gonna split it into half. This knife is so dull. So I'm using meat seasoning, pork seasoning, chicken seasoning, and I'll also use a little jerk seasoning from Cool Runnings. This one is all purpose. Some ginger. Small amount of onion, garlic, is it. I'll try and rub all of this in. I'll put just a small amount of browning. Add in about 3 bay leaf. Now that the water is boiling, I'll put the meat in, the pork in. I put it in the boiling water, so it won't have any foam on top. Then I'll put all the ground provision in as well. So I will allow that to boil for about 10 minutes 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'll get started with my potato. So now that I peel the potatoes, I wash them and dice them now for boiling. But I also want to put the potato in boiling water. I have hot water here for my kettle. I'll add some salt to the water. The water is now boiling, so I'll add the potato pieces. Wow, smells so nice. Garlic is kicking. Ginger, oh my god, the bay leaf smells so nice, I can almost taste it. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Now I'll be cutting some ground provision for the pork chops. Red bell pepper and a piece of orange. These are already washed. So now I will check in on my pork for the second time. It's already 15 minutes and yes, it's giving me the looks that I wanted. So I'll remove the pork from the pot. It's like half cooked. There you go guys, that's what it looks like. Then I'll take that pot off and put the frying pan on, and now I will be frying the pork chops. Now the potatoes are cooked. I will just drain the water from the potatoes. I'll mash the potatoes. Add some butter. I'll give these a turn. I'll just flip them over. While I work on the potatoes. Now that the pork chop is fried and sealed nicely, I will remove it from the pot. Now all of that ground provision that I cut before, I will now add it to the same pot. Then the juice from the pork that I've cooked the pork in, I will add it to this one. Then I'll put the pork back in it. So I'm gonna put the asparagus now on the grill. So I will add some olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. These asparagus, guys, I bought them at the farmer's market. You know, the farmer's market is now up and running, so you get nice fresh stuff at the farmer's market. And it is as fresh as it gets. The first cut, you know, we'll say the first cut is the deepest, but the first cut you'll get the best from the farmer's market now. So now I will add them to the grill. Now I'll continue working on the mashed potato, where I will be adding some basil, dry basil leaf to I'll set this aside. Now guys, the pork is all done. Look at the beauty. Take a look. And it doesn't only look beautiful, it tastes very nice. Very nice. I do this recipe all the time. A matter of fact, I used to do this when I was in Jamaica. This was one of my Friday night kind of thing. So this is how it looks, guys. Awesome. So now I'm gonna pipe the potatoes. I remove the asparagus. There you have it, guys. Finished product. A lovely dish of pork chops, mashed potato alongside some asparagus. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very good, guys. Very good.